Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my awesome 20 LED Diomart lights. I think that these lights are really great. I have them on my husband's office shelves, and I just love the way they look. Let me show you how they work and how they look close up. It has this nice metal housing. They're also rechargeable. The pack comes with enough chargers for the number of lights that you order. You just pull off this adhesive, and then you just stick that wherever you want it to go. So here we're gonna turn them on. And they just look so beautiful. And so when you wanna take it off to charge, you just peel it off. It's a little magnetic base it has with adhesive, and then you can charge your light. So the battery life is fantastic. The remote is really handy, but you also have the touch option. You can just touch it and turn it off. So you don't even have to press the button. It's just like a touch button there, which is really convenient. To change the color. Another thing is that you can change the brightness on these as well. So you have the 100%, which it's set to. You can also change it to 50%. That's the lowest level. It's a beautiful soft light. And again, this is in warm white. And here I'm gonna put it back to 100%. It's a beautiful effect that they give. A nice soft light while still being bright enough to light up the space around it. These LED lights are really great. They offer some nice subtle lighting wherever you want, under your cabinets, in your closets, or on shelves. Really, you can't go wrong. And they have a great touch button feature. So I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.